Hey guys, the Robot Fighters here, and this video is for people that, for people that love Star Wars, and if you guys want to know the differences between the sound of walkers, then here's the differences between ATST and ATAT. The differences between them is that ST and AT are different names. So, I hope you guys enjoy these sounds so you can hear the difference. First, you'll hear ATST, then you'll hear the ATAT. So, here we go. Notice the differences on how the ATAT goes slower, like stomping, and the ATST goes faster, similar to running, with the stomping of the ATAT, but it's like it's running. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching, and later.